Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Java inheritance can be tricky, but we will solve this compilation error fast. Let's break down the code and find the mistake right now. The value B class fails to compile because of how it attempts to call a superclass method. Look closely at the compute method where the keyword super is being used incorrectly. In Java, using super with parentheses is reserved strictly for calling a constructor. You can only use that specific syntax on the very first line of a subclass constructor, nowhere else. Inside a regular method, a superclass function must be called using dot notation. Therefore, option E is the only correct choice for this problem. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and remember that supercalls require a method name.